Hey yo, welcome to this video. This is the third episode of visa application of non-EU family members to EU citizens in the UK. Now, I think we should just dive straight into filling this form. So yes, let's fill it. So we are going to download our forms here on the consulate website. We will scroll down and you see this Formulario Schengen. So that is the form. We will download it. I have already downloaded. So for the purpose of this video, I'll go straight to my PDF where I do have a copy of this form. Remember, you have to put your passport photo here. In case you do not have it, don't worry. You will be able to make one in the center and pay for it. So here is apellido, which is my surname. It is translated also in English, so you don't have a problem. I'll put my last name there. And Spanish does use two names. If you are not Spanish, definitely, then you do not have two surnames or last names. So forget about that. Now you go to your main name, or your first name, which for me is Mimi. I'll put it there. Then fecha de nacimiento, I will put 1983. Country of birth will be Ghana. Place of birth will be Howhere. And my actual nationality is Ghanaian. You can put Ghanaian or Ghana. Nationality at birth, same. I do not have any other nationality, so I'll leave it. Now remember, this side is not for you, it's for official use only. So do not make a mistake to put any information on the side, okay? We've had a couple of times. I'm kidding. Female, if you're male, you take it up there. And no, I am married, so yep. Remember, you're supposed to fill this form with a pen, all right? So don't make a mistake. And again, don't be scared. Go with the form. But if there is anything wrong, they will give you a new form in the center. So don't be scared, but still fill this form because it's important. They might have to check this at the entrance before they will allow you in the center. So please do fill this form. Now, in the case of minor, parental authority, legal guardian, so we are not minors, so we don't put anything there. And then your identity, national identity number, if applicable. So if you have a national identity number, which could be your passport or a national identity card, then you do have a number on it and you can put it here. I do not have the card, okay, so I will note, just because here they put type of travel documents, which I'm going to place my passport here, all right? So it doesn't really matter to put anything up there. Now, if you have a diplomatic passport, you indicate it here. Passport of service, whatever other passport you have, you indicate it here. I do have an ordinary citizen passport, so I'm going to put it there. Then number of travel documents, I do have only one. Trust me, some countries still have two. My best friend has two passports, so it's normal they ask this question. Dates of issue, let's put 2nd of May 2022. And till when is it validated? I would say 3rd of May 2028. Okay, And which country was it issued? Mine was issued in Spain. Okay, so now from this column you are going to place or give out the details of your family member who happens to be the EU or EEA or CH citizen. Okay, I'm going to put it there. And in the case of Spanish, they have 2 last names. Okay, so I'm going to put it there. And I'll put his first name, Daniel. Date of birth. Nationality, Spanish. His identity card. Yeah. Here, family relationship with the citizen. I'm a spouse, so I'll put it there. Your house address, okay. So I will put 2. My telephone number and residence in a country other than the country of current nationality. I do have residence. Yes, I have a card, residence permits. Okay, I will put the number here and valid until my profession, developer. And can you see that they put this asterisk sign here? Let's go down and see if they give any remarks on that. So here you can see it. Okay, family members of EU, EEA or CH citizens shall not fill in the field 21, 22, 30, 31 and 32 mark with asterisk sign. Okay, so this means it's not necessary. In my case, I'm not going to put, but if your case is otherwise, please do make sure to put that. And yeah, so I'm not filling this part. Your main purpose of travel is for tourism, to be honest, and then later on we will visit family. So wow, they allow me to just choose one, so I'll choose one. Or you can choose if tourism is the first trip that you will make with this visa, then you select that. I would advise you do that. So you select what you're going to do first. Are you visiting family first, or you are traveling for business first, or tourism first? You choose that first, okay? And then here, additional information on purpose of stay. I will write traveling with family within European Union countries. Okay, so here we are traveling to Estonia, Germany, Netherlands, Finland and Sweden. So yep, I'll just put it there. See, I forgot to write Spain. Okay, you have to write the first country of entrance. Like you can see I'm going to different countries, so which will be the first country that I'm going to enter into? In my case, I'm going to enter to Finland first. So that's the member state country that I'll enter first. And yeah, how many times, like number of entries requested? Multiple, because I'm going to be traveling within different countries and in and out. So here, internet date of arrival in the first internet stay of Schengen area. So what date are you traveling to your first country of entry, you know? So here we have to enter the date in which we are going to enter the first country in the Schengen area. Okay, and this for me will be on this date. And how long? Internet date of departure from the Schengen area after the first intended stay. So in total, I'm going to spend like 1 month. So then we will return on this date. Okay. Fingerprints collected previously for the purpose of applying for a Schengen visa. Yes, I have applied for Schengen visa the first time I relocated to Spain. So it's yes, they do on my record. If I do remember the date, I don't remember the exact date. Okay, and here they also put the visa ticket number if you have it. So I do not have this, so I'm not going to bother myself, because of course they give us option if known. So yeah, I will not bother myself at all. Entry permit for the final country of destination where applicable. My final destination is still within Schengen state, so it's not applicable, so I do not have to put in this. And this, in my case, I am not supposed to fill this. So if your case you're supposed to fill it, just please put the necessary details here. I put my home address here, which I shared with my husband, and it's legal in all his documents, stating his tax is stated that he is on this address and I'm on this address, so that's okay. And then I put my telephone number there again, and we don't have to answer this session. In my case, I don't have to. So if you're a spouse, it's the same thing for you. So yes, as you can see, it is in Spanish and English, so you don't have a problem. And as I said, do not append your signature and date, because you will do that at the center. And if it is a guardian, if you're filling in for a child or a minor, then you will have to sign here also, but you'll have to sign in the center. So that is it. It's pretty easy to fill this form. Remember to do this with pen, please. And yes, I'll leave you here. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you're very much satisfied. If there is anything that I have failed to mention or anything that you do not understand, please do make sure to write to me or to write in the comment section. I will see it and I will give you an answer if I do have the knowledge or the experience or an answer to it. Thank you very much for sticking true with me. Be you, be bold, do whatever you want to do, say whatever you want to say, as long as you're not hurting anyone. But most of all, stay motivated and inspired. And I will see you in another video with another informative content. It's adios.
Stay motivated and inspired.